Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to show you how to make a pair of swans. For this you will need your art book, your normal art book which has been given from school. This art book, picture on front might be different. A plate, paint palette, paint blue, yellow or orange, red and white. You will need some bindis, red or maroon bindi, water, gum, some normal tissue papers and brushes. First of all, we'll place the plate on paper and we'll draw a circle with a pencil like this. The next step will be to paint the entire circle with blue color. Please use a dark blue shade. Please use a dark blue shade like this. You have to paint the entire blue color. I make the circle first. Circle outline ta kore nen. Make the outline first, because we are not as expert as ma'am, so better we'll do the outline first. And then you have to like that, you make an outline, and after that you can fill up the paint. Fill up the paint however you want. Now you can see our circle is ready. Now let it dry for a while. After your circle is dry, you can touch and see if the paint is still wet. If it is not, please take gum and place at two places at the bottom. নিচের দিকে দুটো জায়গায় এইভাবে ছোট্ট করে প্লেস করে দিবেন, গাম লাগাবেন। নিচের দিকে। Then take your tissue paper and you crumple in the hand in this manner. এইভাবে crumple করে দিবেন tissue paperটাকে. So we'll make the body of the swan with the tissue paper. তো যেরকম ম্যাম এরকম প্রেস করে লাগাচ্ছেন ওইভাবে টিস্যু পেপারটা লাগিয়ে দিবেন। দুদিকে দুটো টিস্যু পেপার। Crumple in your hand first. মুড়ে নেবেন হাতের মধ্যে, তারপরে এটা লাগিয়ে দিবেন। You can use a bit more gum if you want to stick the tissue paper, but it should be fluffy. এরকম fluffy হয়ে থাকতে হবে। Now once the tissue paper is a bit dry, next what you can do, you can take white paint. I have taken watercolor. You can take poster color as well. I have already poured some into the palette. So I am going to take a bit in this manner. And what I am going to do is that I am going to make the neck of the swan. So what I am going to do, I am going to make a stick-like figure. Make it little thick. First you draw both the sides. You can make it a bit thicker. And let it dry. Make the head a little big. Make it a bit thicker. Like this. Now we have drawn the two white stick-like figures on top of the tissue paper, which is the neck and the head of the swan. Now take bindis, red or maroon, and place it here like this. In both the swans, place the bindi in this way. The last step is to draw the beaks of the swans. Now how to do the beaks? You can see this elongated part, you can make the beaks in this way. Better wait for your paint to dry properly so that the beaks look good, otherwise there might be a little smudging. So here your swans are actually ready. Now there is one more step which has to be done. In the last step, we'll take some yellow paint or orange paint and we'll draw a sun. The sun you can place in the middle or at one of the corners. Since I have space here, I'll draw it here. Normal sun, however you want to do it. Just do a round. If you want, you can use a round cork or any round object to make the sun. You can give the streaks in this way so that it looks like a very hot sun. Your pair of swans are ready. Thank you.